Hey y'all, it's Angel
and Aaliyah,
and today we're about to be trying these
Takis popcorn Fuego.
Nopales Takis Fuego.
Yo, I don't even know where she gets from. Where she gets from?
Probably Walmart.
Yeah, probably Walmart. We don't know.
Walmart.
We don't know. But yeah, it's the popcorn Takis. Yeah.
Give it a hot shake.
Okay, so don't forget to like,
Subscribe,
share,
comment, and hit that notification bell.
and if you don't do that, yeah,
Like,
I don't know how, but
what do you think you're going? What do you think you gonna like it?
I hope I do. I hope it tastes like Takis. Like,
Me too. Like,
if it doesn't, like, come on. We're Takis fans.
yeah, Takis fans. Takis. Instead of hot Cheeto popcorn, Taki popcorn.
Period. We've had hot Cheeto popcorn too.
Yeah.
But yeah, Takis popcorn. We don't know what you guys are from. We're gonna see at the end of the video. But yeah. You ready?
Yep.
Open the bag.
I got you, bro. Alright, so
Let me see.
let me form my aura.
I think that's how you're supposed to open it.
How dare you?
Okay, let's smell. Ooh, it smells like popcorn.
Help me! Help me!
That's how you're supposed to open the bag. That's why it didn't open that way. Get that piece of popcorn. You ready? Cheers. Tastes like Takis. Oh, it tastes like Takis. This is good.
Mm-hmm.
This is so good. And I like popcorn and Takis, so
Right, it's just like a combination
like-
of both.
a perfect combination. And I also like how it actually tastes like Takis. Anyways, we got fire. What'd you rate it?
10.
10. I know, right?
The rest of the video is just gonna be us eating it.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna say this. It's good.
Spice, rated on spice, popcorn, and all together.
Okay. And spice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna rate it on the flavor, popcorn, and then spice level. So first we're gonna spice. How spicy do you think?
Like a 5.
Yeah,
No, like
spice.
a 4.
It's not really spicy to me. It's more like
It hit you.
uh-huh. What about popcorn flavor? You taste
Popcorn
the
flavor?
It's just basically, well, not popcorn flavor, but like
It's like the popcorn texture, all that.
yeah,
good jazz.
it's popcorn.
popcorn. 10.
You definitely taste popcorn. Well, no, it's popcorn. You know it's popcorn. Yeah, it's good. Okay, what about overall?
Overall, 10.
Yeah, it's a 10 for me too. Actually, like a 9.5. If I see this in the store ever again,
10 out of 10. Definitely recommend.
This is how good they are. That if I see these in the store,
I'm
getting
smashing
these.
them.
I'm getting them.
These are hot Cheeto popcorn.
Hmm?
These are hot Cheeto popcorn.
Oh, it's not. It's not popcorn.
No, like which one's better?
Oh,
Personally, hot Cheeto popcorn, but it's still busting.
Yeah, me too. I'd rather have hot Cheeto popcorn, but this is good.
If I were to pick, but if they didn't have hot Cheeto popcorn, I would get this.
Yeah, if I were to pick between these two, if these were right next to each other, I would pick hot Cheeto popcorn.
But
Only
if hot
'cause I
Cheeto
like
popcorn wasn't there, I would pick these.
Mm-hmm. It's good though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, if you like tofu, if you like popcorn.
My popcorn.
Yeah, if you like hot Cheetos, if you like popcorn, this is like different for you. Especially if you like a big popcorn fan. And these have mad powder on them.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
No popcorn left behind.
Okay,
All right, y'all. Come on, let's stop before we eat all this popcorn.
alright. Overall, spice, it's like a 5 for me. 5 for her too. Popcorn,
No, I feel like a 4.
oh, like a 4. Popcorn, like a 6, maybe. Maybe like a 6, yeah.
You don't like the popcorn?
I mean, I do, but I'm not a. I like popcorn, but I'm not a big popcorn fan. So if these were just like, they should make Takis puff. And the Takis overall is like a 10. Yeah, it's good. Or a 9. I said 9.5.
I give it a 10. All right. Make sure you like,
Subscribe,
share.
comment, hit that notification bell so you can notify every time we post, upload, and I'm gonna say this every time. If you don't like, why are you here? If you don't follow, if you already followed, okay, you're cool. If you don't follow, why are you here? If you don't hit that notification button,
Why are you here?
if you don't comment,
Why are you here? If you don't watch the whole video, why are you here?
if you don't share it to your friends and family,
Why are you here?
like, come on now.
Like real, bro. All right.
You clicked on this video for a reason, right? To
Right.
watch it. So watch it.
Why are you leaving?
Y'all look hungry. Y'all want one?
Gotcha. Now, sight. Oh wait. Sight.
Here, she's been eating. That one. Peace.